And yes, it's asking for Facebook ads, is it necessary to have video ad than image to attract audiences? Both work, yes. Just to answer your question in a quick one, but however, we will usually use what do we call? Video more for our T1, because other than attracting, it's more about capturing intent. So if you have not learned through my 6-day challenge, I would recommend that you do, because that will give you a better idea about my 2-step funnel framework. Trust me, it's a powerful one. Yes, worth learning all the way. Okay, so yeah, both works. To answer your question, yes, video and image both work. You just have to create it and run it and see whether it does really capture the attention, because you have to always remember, a lot of times whatever we believe is useful or good may not be good in front of our audiences. So let the market decide. Okay.